In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to configure and use payments, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your Docusign account connected to a payment processor so you can collect payments right inside your agreements. I'll walk you through the path in the Docusign interface, explain what each screen is for, and share a few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. First, start by logging into your Docusign account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions because connecting a payment provider typically requires admin access. If you use multiple environments, confirm you're in the correct account before moving on. Once you're in, head to the admin area. This is your control center for account level settings, including security, users, and integrations. If you don't see admin, you may need your DocuSign administrator to grant you access. Inside admin, navigate to integrations. This section is where DocuSign connects with other tools you rely on. We're going to use it to enable payments through a trusted provider so everything stays streamlined and secure for your signers. From integrations, open the App Center. Think of the App Center as a curated marketplace of apps that extend your DocuSign workflow. Payments live here so you can find, review, and install the solution that fits your business needs. In the App Center, select Stripe. Stripe is a popular provider for accepting credit and debit cards and other payment methods in many regions. If you use a different provider supported by DocuSign, the process is similar, but today we'll focus on Stripe so you can see a clear example. Choose Install App. You'll be prompted to confirm the connection. This step sets up the secure handshake between DocuSign and the payment platform so charges can be requested when documents are signed. When prompted, log in with your payment provider credentials to link the accounts. Enter your login directly on the provider's secure page. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. You may be asked to authorize DocuSign to create charges or view basic account details, review the permissions, and approve to complete the connection. After you link the accounts, you're ready to use payments within your DocuSign workflows. If you run into issues, check that you have admin rights, verify your payment account is active, and confirm whether you're in test or live mode before sending anything to customers. You can revisit admin and integrations anytime to see or manage the connection. That's it. You've connected payments in DocuSign, setting the stage for faster agreements and instant secure checkout at the moment of signature.